The making of pop-up books. These are the materials needed. First we draft and then we start drawing. There are 4 pop-up books. Each pop-up book has 4 drawings, so altogether will be 16 drawings. Next step is coloring. Cutting. Laminating. Next step is folding, cutting, gluing, and sticking the pictures on the pop-up book. These are the final product, which consists of 4 menus. The first one is egg sandwich. The student can open the pop-up book to look at the pictures as well as the instructions on how to make the menu. The second one is raspberry pancake. In this activity, the student have to write 2 paragraphs of instruction. The third one is fruit salad. The pictures are interesting and the instructions are clear, which is the student to do the activities of writing. Last but not least, mini pizza. The pictures, as previous, are related to the instruction given. That is all from us. Thank you.